Hello everyone, this is Abraham, and today we're gonna unboxing the Disney film The Sword in the Stone, the Disney one. However, ever since when I was a teenager, that was my first time watching this when I was basically 12. When I was 12, I love this movie. I watch it on DVD on a library rent. However, this movie is like really amazing story. It's timeless and it's basically amazing. So it has come with Blu-ray, DVD, digital copied, spectacular extra contacts, and it has digital copied. I was like, oh my goodness. However, I can like basically see that in Disney Plus, so it's basically no big deal. I mean, however, maybe I would love to use it on digital. So one day if I cancel Disney Plus, so it's no big deal. But I want to say it's one of my favorite Disney movie I love. So it's The Sword in the Stone, one of the most amazing movie ever. So right now, let's unbox. So I can't wait to show you. There you have it. Here it is, The Sword in the Stone edition, 50th anniversary edition. However, I hope they make it on 4K and I'll buy it for real. So there it is, and okay, here we go. Oh, can't show you. So here it is, and here's the movies everywhere. And there it is. Here we go. Disney's The Sword in the Stone. And it comes with Blu-ray. If you watch the original one and the Blu-ray, I propose listening to Blu-ray the most. So here it is. Love this movie so much. However, this is really cool. And look at this. It comes with a reward. This is so amazing. Alright guys, I guess we're done for a day. I want to say this movie is so awesome. I can like watch it anytime, anywhere, and it's really cool. So here we go. Okay guys, this movie is so cool. So I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe. Alright, see you all later and bye.